Welcome to this tutorial on safe casts in Kotlin. Today, you'll learn how to use the safe cast operator as question mark for type casting. This operator helps you avoid ClassCastException errors by returning null instead of crashing your application when a cast fails. Let's first understand the problem. When you use the unsafe cast operator as, Kotlin attempts to convert a value from one type to another. In this example, we have a variable object of type any containing the string hello. When we try to cast it to an int using as, the cast fails because a string cannot be converted to an int. This results in a ClassCastException, which crashes your program. This is dangerous and should be avoided. The solution is the safe cast operator, written as question mark. Instead of throwing an exception when the cast fails, it simply returns null. In this example, we try to cast the same string hello to an int, but this time using as question mark. The cast fails, but instead of crashing, the variable num receives null. Your program continues running safely. The syntax for safe casting is straightforward. You write the value you want to cast, followed by as question mark, and then the target type. The result is always a nullable version of the target type. For example, if you cast to int, you get int nullable. This means the result can either be the successfully casted value or null if the cast fails. Let's look at a successful cast. Here, we have a variable object of type any containing the string hello Kotlin. When we cast it to string using as question mark, the cast succeeds because the actual value is already a string. The variable text receives the value hello Kotlin, and when we print it, we see the output hello Kotlin. Now let's see what happens when a cast fails. We have the same variable object containing hello Kotlin, but this time we try to cast it to int. Since a string cannot be cast to int, the safe cast operator returns null. The variable num receives null, and when we print it, the output is null. Notice that the program doesn't crash, it handles the failure gracefully. You can make safe casts even more powerful by combining them with the Elvis operator. The Elvis operator is written as question mark colon and provides a default value when the left side is null. In this example, we cast hello to int using as question mark. The cast fails and returns null, but the Elvis operator catches this and provides 0 as the default value. So the variable num receives 0 instead of null, and that's what gets printed. Let's recap the key points. First, always use as question mark instead of as to avoid crashes. Second, remember that safe cast returns null when the type doesn't match. Third, you can combine safe casts with the Elvis operator to provide default values. And finally, using safe casts makes your code safer and more predictable. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.